Alrighty, let's see here. Monday. Half day uptrend in effect.
Order filled.
Huh.
Order cancelled.
I don't know what just happened. My let's see, I should have a let's go. Um looks like I only entered one contract. It's a little strange here. Oh, quantity is only set to one. That makes sense. Okay, well that was a good trade. Wasn't it? I think it was. Body's holding an initial imbalance here. All right, short signal at this measured move. Maybe just want to see how these orders work.
Order
Try
filled.
it. Why are my trades not showing up on the chart settings? Positions, yes, I would like that. Okay. Well, it looks like I have two stop orders in and two take profits. I'm really not sure why they're not showing up here. Maybe it's because of the type of order. Let's see. I don't see this getting.
Order cancelled. Order
No,
cancelled.
I could be wrong. We might be in for a nice trend day today. Let's see if I
Order filled.
no, still not.
Order cancelled.
All right. Order's not showing up on here. Something's off. Something's off. Let me check this account right fast. Okay, that's good. 0 orders on this account. Da, 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 da. The adventures of day trading
Technical
with the
analysis
one
for
and
your edge
only
here.
Sir Rocks-a-Lot. Little platform issues. Let's see if I have to redo the add-ons. Trading view activated. Oh my god. This again. Wouldn't mind being able to manage my orders from TradingView like I normally do. That's actually how I trade. So can't trade without trading the way that I trade. See, let's go to 1.
Order filled.
Huh. So strange.
Order filled.
I like this candle. I like the look of that candle. Um. Hmm. Let's try logging out and logging back in right quick. Very strange. Very strange indeed. Hmm. Technical issues here. Let's see, 750.25. 750.50. Let's take that one to there. Actually, let's go to lower this body. 325. Take one off there. So strange. Hmm.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
filled.
Let's try this.
Order filled.
Okay, that's interesting. I mean, is this the same account? Oh my God, I'm on the wrong chart. Oh my gosh, I'm on the wrong chart. I have to sell this immediately. I don't know, it's tempting to buy right here though. Let's focus here. You're uh you're in
Order
mistake
filled.
land. Big time. Alright, so you're on the wrong instrument here. That's what the problem was earlier. No big deal. That's why we're in a practice account. Let's go ahead and take executions off. And let's regroup. So, let's see. Load proper ticker is on my checklist. All I did was log into the right account. Insufficient preparation will cost you in this game. Let's see, 4 hour. I think I had this punched in. Maybe not the worst idea to have this on here. And from here, all right, let's see, half day uptrend in effect. Um, this uptrend, the whole for a bit plan is to have fun practicing multiple bracket orders. Boom, it's that simple. Let's go. Let's see what we got here. Just seeing if my stream's being shown. let's go ahead and make this just for lives, people that are actually live right now. Okay. Usual suspects. Who is live? I'm live, YouTube. Alright, I see how you want to do me. Aha, there I am. Live trading in Kia. There I am. Alright, I'm on here. I'm just kind of down the list, but that's all good. Let's see. Into the charts we go. Let's see, to the 1 minute, I like the measure move of this earlier. I like the measure move from here to here to there. Price didn't really care about it too much. Initial imbalance is right here. First imbalance created after market open. Actually, I'm tripping. It's this level here. This is the initial imbalance. I also want to get the anchored VWAP from CPI on here. This was CPI. All right, we pushed away from it on Friday, but you can see it's an interesting level. Let's see what else we are looking at today. Regular trading hours. Really super strange issue with regular trading hours not showing up for the current trading. That's all good. Maybe because it's a holiday, there's some kind of glitch with futures on TradingView. Let's see. Gotta reset. Had some technical issues. On my first execution this morning, I actually made a mistake and didn't follow my checklist closely enough. And I had the minis pulled up on TradingView, but the micros on my execution platform, resulting in some massive confusion and some massive losses as well. Let's see here. Inside up close right here is not bad. We're taking the liquidity. I'll front run this a little bit. So only got one contract in again. See, so still having some execution trouble, but it's okay. We're gonna get it. So I need, if I'm doing two orders, I need two contracts. That makes sense. So we don't know where this is going. Let's see if we can get some practice trailing. Normally I would want to take some profit at something, and I will actually trail my stop a little bit, but not too close yet. Don't need to go break even. I'll go between just a little bit below this volume imbalance here, which is there and there. So like that, we need to might have some trouble getting back above the initial imbalance, but we'll see. Monday morning, this is some nice fake out action here. High, low, high, low. Maybe we can get even one more high. Putting in a bear flag here, however, I like this. Either way, I wouldn't say this is the highest probability trade I've ever been in. This push, I'll go break even. No sense in taking a loss at this point. Really great practice for me these days is executing multiple bracket orders and just learning how to trail. So I'm in here at the low of the swing. So far, pretty great entry. And I don't know how far this is going, so I don't want to take profit yet. pretty much that's the simple idea. What I'm working on. Try to raise this camera up here a bit.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
field.
Yeah, so this bear flag did fail. Let's see here. Don't need that. I will look at this. Charts still working like charts. Everything is in order. What do we want to look for? We want to look for 50% of this swing short, possibly. And let's get some volume on screen.
Order filled.
All right, see, I cannot believe that I wasn't able to do this last week. So I'm entering two bracket orders just fine. This is very aggressive. Wick. So that's really bizarre. Okay, did I lose one of my orders? Let's see here. That's really funny. So let's see what that does. Something fairly strange is occurring. 36, so you actually want this to be really tight. 37 is basically where okay. See what Price wants to do. There's really no telling here. That looks like a cliffhanger short. But again, we don't know where the market wants to go. I'm really just trying to see how these multiple bracket orders work together. Obviously, when this my first target hits, it should take off one of my stops. And this is just what I need to practice working with, just executing um, these orders. I want to start trailing one.
Order cancelled.
Okay, so that looks good. All right, now that I only have one order, it's letting me trail it. It's letting me edit on trading view. Very interesting. Go break even with this one since we got take profit on the first one. Question would be, the real question is, all right, definitely moving a little slow today. It's all good. Make sure we got our higher time frame. Okay, that's good. Let's see here. Yeah, likely we're coming down to test this moving average. So I want to take profit off there. Actually, somewhere there feels reasonable. What I still don't know if I want to how I want to trade is if I want hitting the first target, the profit from my first target to fund a wider
Order
stop
cancelled.
for my second one, so I'm less likely to get stopped out. Unsure, and that's what I'm trying to practice here. So we pull up back up to initial imbalance, and I will get interested in a short again. I sure will. Alrighty, inside. Close. Alright, let's see here.
Order
Gonna
filled.
take that wick. So it looks like I cannot edit these stops. And it's not letting me edit these stops in trading view when there's multiple bracket orders for some reason. This one's too close. They're both a little too close. Mm-hmm. Show them how it's done, baby. Show them how it's done, little Woody. I'm short here because this is the initial imbalance. I'm thinking we want to come back and hit this 20 SMA for a large move up. I actually think it would be fun. And I would like to reverse here. There's a way to do that. I might want to do that. Okay, like to look at this. People that bought this big candle here, they're kind of sad. They're getting nervous. They're getting nervous. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Looks like he didn't do it good. Alright, now I'm talking smack. I'm gonna get smoked here if I start talking smack too much. Alright. Oh no, drop base rally. It's a supply and demand zone. We got a supply and demand zone right here. Everybody get long. Get long right in this zone. This is the zone you want to go long. Alright, come on. I'm just joking now. Relax. Relax. Don't do that to me. I'm joking. Be nice. Supply and demand. Get long. Oop. I like that wick. I like that wick. What's happening? Are we doing this? Alrighty. One bounce, two bounce, three bounce, four bounce, five bounce, six bounce, everywhere. Bounce, bounce. Here we go. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Initial imbalance is one of my favorite levels. This right here, this is just a very interesting level. I couldn't tell you why or how or who uses this in the market, why they use it or how they use it, but it's so consistently used as a level. Pretty amazing. Uh-oh, coming back to the supply and demand zone. We're back to the supply and demand zone, guys. They dropped and they based and they pushed and they pushed again. So this is the supply zone. I mean the demand zone. We got to make it green. Come on, let's make it green. This is the buy zone. Gonna buy in the end zone. All right. Jokes aside, serious business here. Oh, I see. It's the wrong one. Come back. And this one. Yeah, man. You never really know. Oh, the zone failing. My zone. Come back to my zone. You're supposed to go in your zone. All right.
Order cancelled. Order
Bang,
cancelled.
bang, boom, bam, boom, bam, 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 bam. Did you see that? Did you see how we did that? That's called luck. Just joking. It's not called luck. I'm about to get long off this moving average. If you think I'm not about to get long off this moving average, I don't know what you're thinking about. So I'm definitely getting long off this moving average all day today. Nah, you're gonna shove it and rip it. We got Friday's high just below here. Let's go to like a 5 minute. Huge inefficiency here. Balanced price range. Shout out to ICT. Can't be distracted right now. Gotta hit the button. Gotta hit my buy button right quick. That's tough. I'm getting a trigger near my zone. Gotta just I gotta let this fly. And why did I let it fly? I'll show you. No. Trigger candle long, taking liquidity, super near to moving average. Um, One of the easiest buttons I ever pushed just now. Don't have to think about it. It doesn't mean that it's going to win. It just means that I have to be in it regardless. And I don't care if it wins or loses. I just have to be in it. These stops are too close. I'm trying to see. Yeah, that's a little better. They belong beneath these lows. I can't edit these bracket orders in TradingView. Might have to just trade on Tradeovate and just watch, see if I can get my indicators to work on there. My custom built, top secret, super indicators. I don't like this stall here. I want to see it push harder. Um, but what are you gonna do? It is stalling, and I'm gonna be definitely gonna try to trail this first order here. So I don't want that close like that. One's going up high. One's going up even higher, I'll say. Yeah. All right. I would say we're probably in break-even territory now. Yeah. Yeah, we're in break-even territory now. Cover some commissions here. That's a clean looking reversal bar right there. When I see that, I'm a little torn because I wouldn't mind taking profit there. However, you know, 15-second chart, there is some noise, and pin bar looking good on a 5 minute, just close enough to the 20 period on the 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and call this a little baby profit taken and let it shoot up. I don't mind a pullback here though, honestly, because this looks like some great liquidity, so it makes sense for them to test these people and then push up. But we'll have to see here. Stream health is good. Analytics, no viewers. That's fine. Looks like I got taken out at break even after all. Big question everyone wants to know on the street these days is like, is Rock Trades Futures going to re-enter the market? I mean, like he got stopped out at break even, but will he re-enter though? That's what a lot of people want to know about. That seems crazy for him to do it right there though, huh? See, this volume is looking really set. Inside up close bar, higher low, boom to the moon. Send it. I was got a little thrown off by this volume, shrinking terribly. Didn't make me too eager to push the button, and yeah, let's fiddle with this moving average a little bit more. You know, some nice profits I gave back here. Um, Still don't have my formula. Still don't have my A plus plus mega formula yet for exiting trades. I'm pretty much a beast when it comes to entering trades. Feeling pretty good about that lately. See this price stalling hard right here? No volume. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Nope, push more. I want to see it drop down and give me a wick. And then I'm going to John Wick this thing. That wick was a little too slick.
Order filled.
Slick on the wick. This seems cray cray. And it is definitely catching a falling knife.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Yeah. Bottom of the channel. Inside up close bar. All right. I'm going to wait for the close this time. You got me on that one. I was eager. I was eager. Inside up close bar. Boom. Waited for the close, didn't I? To the second I clicked the button. Don't say anything different. Let's see. And we got a psych level here. Let's just drop it just beneath the psych level, just for a little extra luck. We'll call this the luck level. Now we're at the end of a channel, right near the moving average, inside up close bar. This is a legit trade. I don't mind taking this trade. I want to trail this thing, so I'm gonna get it way out the way. Because if price just spikes on up, we're gonna be in trouble.
Order cancelled.
All right, this is more in line with what I had envisioned for the day. You gotta think that you gotta think you would get a bounce off this guy though. That looks like another inside up close bar. Fool me once, fool me
Order
twice,
filled.
fool me blah blah blah. This will make people scared. Huge volume spike, moving average, trend, psych level, um, spike down. These closes are actually higher than this close and this open. So longs got scared, longs got punished, me included, but they're not going to psych me out of my whole, scenario. Come on, that would be just crazy. I'm not getting that psyched out. That is an okay take profit. I would probably just technically want it to be right in line with this imbalance here. Just because you could literally touch that imbalance and then miss your fill by one tick, which I am not interested in. I don't want to keep this at full risk here. Let's go ahead and just take a little bit of that off and come right back under the psych level. Alrighty, so nice wick. If we can get the body to close 35 seconds from now above this moving average on the 5 minute, I think a lot of people will be interested. Some pretty clean looking pin bars on the 1 minute and the 30 minute here too. This is the 15-second that I'm trading. Let's see here. Three, two, one. Oh, so close. I think, yeah, I don't know. Inside down close on the 15 here. That's a reversal. Inside down close on the 1. Beautiful pin bar on the 1 here. Look at this. You sell this, Gucci. All right, you're gonna have to stop being a buyer
Order
after
cancelled.
this one. Now, that's just embarrassing. Alrighty, don't need this. Hmm. Let's see what price is doing. Besides just tanking. Just curious here. Dollar is not trading right now. Interesting. hmm Wouldn't mind us coming back to a lot of amateurs trading today. I wouldn't call myself an amateur, more of a journeyman. Not a novice, not an amateur. Intermediate, journeyman. Getting there on my way to legendary status, frankly. Um, so what I was saying though, big push up, all the noobs get FOMO. We're going straight up to the moon. Yank the rug on them. What I wrote in my plan was uptrend, but expected a fake out early in the week. So fakey, fakey. This whole, everything about it, it's just kind of fake. These people are fake out here. You can't really deal with them like you would think you could. You can't though. You just can't deal with them. Here we are, Hive yesterday, inside up close bar. Getting punished for being a buyer, but my contrarian nature just won't allow me. It won't allow me to be terrified of the enemy.
Order filled.
So what I do is I just enter trades and I manage my risk and I don't cry in the shower. So Hive yesterday, inside up close bar. Um, Big pushing off. Looks like almost some type of baby exhaustion kind of a situation here. Missed my first order by 2 ticks now. That's how they've been doing me lately. So we'll just have to see if if anything good is in the cards for me today. It might just be like a lot of bad luck type of a day, where that's fine too because my plan that I literally wrote on a piece of paper on my computer screen is right here. I don't know if you can read this. It's like kind of amazing. I'll actually make it a lot bigger here. Can I do that? Bold, underline, AB, strike through. How do you make the font bigger? Anyway, my plan is have fun practicing multiple bracket orders. The plan is in full effect because I'm having a blast. And I got these 2 orders which are bracket
Order
orders
cancelled.
getting stopped out. See, a lot of people, they don't like losing. They don't like getting stopped out. That's because they don't know how to have fun doing it. Inside up close bar, getting punished for being a buyer. Am I going to be afraid once again? I mean, will they scare me? That would be crazy if they scared me.
Order filled.
Inside up close bar, I bought it without even thinking twice that time. The first time I actually thought twice. This time I did not think twice. And see what happened was, um, good things come to those who don't stop buying, is what they say. But no, seriously though, like I think Donald Trump is gonna save me today. He's gonna save us all. We're all gonna go to heaven when Donald Trump wins the election tonight. All right, now you see this candle here? That is a true, what we call that is a Nancy Pelosi candle.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
filled.
All right, I should have thought twice on that one. I'm not gonna front. I should have thought twice on that one. See, I almost see. I'm having fun. Don't get me wrong, but I'm a professional trader, so I have to act and do things professionally. And that means after I'm getting smoked a little bit, you just slow down a little bit. You just relax. And you say, all right, look, kid, you're literally getting smoked like a piece of salmon right now, trying to be a buyer. So why don't you just slow down and try to be a buyer again? Hmm? Is that something you can do, kid? Super tiny risk? Super microscopic tiny risk? Microscopic
Order
tiny
filled.
risk? Boom, let's go. Microscopic tiny risk. Right beneath this bar.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
filled.
Okay, one got snagged. They snagged me on that one. Got a little too tiny with it.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
filled.
All right. Honestly, I use this trigger bar as an excuse, but it's actually an ugly trigger bar. Clearly I'm wrong. Like just flat out I'm wrong. Trying to trade a bounce here. It's kind of like you're not wrong until you're
Order
wrong.
filled.
Do you know what I'm saying? Like you're not really wrong until you're really wrong. And this is what I mean. Like, you almost gave me my freaking first profit target by one tick. That was very mean of you to not do that for me after everything I did for you. No, but seriously, inside up close bar. Price is not breaking below high of yesterday. um, Pretty steady selling off. Wouldn't mind seeing a bounce back up to this moving average here. And, you know,
Order cancelled.
that's just the type of dog that I am. I'm very contrarian by nature, and my system revolves around being contrarian. And this is the exact trade I'm trying to get in. I want to catch the bottom. I want to get my first target. All right, look, don't kick me out yet, bro. I'm trying to trail this here. Can you let me show these people what I'm trying to do?
Order cancelled.
Jeez, dude. Like, you want to push back up here, bro? I'll go short. You want to push back up right here? 50% of this range, and I'm short. Like this. Failing to get to 50% of the range. It would be funny if I do get short here and then it shoots long like I've been waiting for all morning. I'd probably go crazy on it. Nope.
Order filled.
Tiny inside close bar. Barely exactly touched the 50 level there. I like this trade because it is very small risk. And I'm seeing this level fail now. In theory.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
filled.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
filled.
Nope. Not yet. Can't win them all, ladies and gentlemen.
Order filled.
That was literally time perfect, and that's the perfect entry. And that's also what I'm here to practice. Stop goes here. You know, and some ways the stop should go above this highest swing point, but this trigger,
Order cancelled.
this candle is my trigger.
Order filled.
So I got taken out of one, and I just re-entered it because I got another short signal. And I'm trying to practice doing what I do a little bit. If that's something that y'all can appreciate and understand. All right. Let's see.
Order cancelled.
Holy moly. No, don't go that far. Sheesh. My guy. I'm trying to trail and be in this trade. You gonna come back and take me out break even, huh? You dirty freaking rascal, you. Now you better get on down there. Told you that level would fail, didn't I? I don't think we find the bottom today. I think we go to zero. Price is going to zero today. I think we might actually, now that I think about it, like I said, I'm trailing all the way to the bottom of the news low. Psych, there's no way I'm going to take it off at a new week opening gap. Dude, if I can get 100 points right quick, you know, that's all I need. Just give me like 100 quick points, bro. Oh, you trying to take me out early so I don't get to have my 100 points? Come on. Come on, stop messing around. How many L's did I have to take before I even just got a couple baby wins? That's how it is sometimes. Analytics. I think I gave my people the wrong stream situation. Let's see. Delete message. Delete. That's more like it. So we're still in it to win it here, you know. We're still in it to win it. They're trying to take us out. You know, they really want to take us out. They don't really like us that much. So when they try to not like you that much, you gotta just, what can you do? You just gotta love them back, really.
Order cancelled.
So this level's holding now. Long on the. Shoot, man, we about to go up to the moon here.
Order filled.
But I had to get in it. Got a long trigger on the 30, on the 1, pardon me. Printing on, about to print on the 5. 3 5-minute clean wicks right here, holding yesterday's high. Bulls and bears frustrated here, but bears overall kind of getting some love after open. So why not just let the bulls get a little freaky with it for a minute? We'll just have to see. It's been a weird day. I honestly haven't had the greatest analysis that I've ever had. So you also got 50% of this swing leg. It's kind of like an order block on a higher time frame. Price is holding above the middle point of that. And let's go. What I want to see
Order
still
working.
is, what is this tart? What is,
Order cancelled.
what's going on here?
Order cancelled.
Must have hit the wrong. Yeah, let me hold up. I don't know what to do, but something got jacked up.
Order cancelled.
Get myself a little wrong, but okay. So these are connected now. That's fine. I think I must have clicked in here somewhere, a right or left click, and put in some limit orders or some kind of orders. Uh, my tendency is when I have things orders sitting in the market that I don't understand or they're not lining up or I'm just generally kind of confused. Basic rule of thumb for me is I just exit everything, just close the trade, close all orders, um, remove the confusion, and just reassess what happened. Like I honestly don't know why I only have one contract on still, but we'll see. It's not like price can't come back up to the initial imbalance again. Pushing up above. Pretty clean reversal bar here. Um, on decent volume. Hard to know, really. I mean, might be entering some expansion action here. A little bit of Chop City. I'll probably go break even if I get one more big push up. Actually, why risk that? Yeah, I'll use this. If price doesn't want to make this the low of the swing, I think it could go much lower. So instead of risking that much,
Stop
I'm just going to
filled.
get out and then look at possibly re-entering. Follow through this would make sense. Down, down. Um, then again, looks like I see I'm still long, which is just something weird going on here. How do you do it? That's a
Order
stop.
working.
Okay,
Order cancelled.
that's a market. So
Order filled.
no.
Order
Let's
cancelled.
close everything. How do I do that? See if I can do it from here. Oh, it looks like everything's closed. Oh, put a pretty major dent in this account today. Not the best kind of practice that I want or need to have. Very educational in a sense, though. Newsday. I'll say Newsday. It's a holiday. Shout out to Martin Luther King. Whew. It's a holiday. Rough night's sleep. Prep not the best. Slow to slow to get my head in the game to a degree. And yeah, just had this long bias. Mistakenly. Let's go ahead and put some. Also, yeah, the a lot of technical issues to start the day off, but that's all good. Let's see here. That's over trading. Definitely over trading here in the name of practice. It's okay. I know how to identify my weaknesses. Let's get logged back in here on this. Where is the close all function? All right. I mean, that looks like chop suey, right, John? Um, let's see here. What is the market trying to do still? Yeah, this is wild. Regular trading hours not even like on the map for today. I think I might be done with the stream. I got some coding projects that I'm gonna work on. This isn't really that interesting to me, and I think I'm more or less got this practice that I need here. Good till close, time options, release, cancel. Order flag settings. What about trading on the chart for this here? Let's go like that. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. 15-second. It's inside up.
Order filled.
Alright, so I can't even.
Order cancelled.
Well, there you go. I deserved that. Literally just threw my money away there. Wanted to put some orders in and see if I could drag them on the screen. And I don't even know how to use this platform apparently. Okay. If I hold shift and scroll, I can kind of see where my orders are at. Okay, but if I scroll off, it resets. Chart settings. Continuous auto fit off. Okay, that's helpful. Maybe if I double click on it, it auto fits. There we go.
Order
All right,
filled.
now I got some orders in there. But you can't really drag them. That's weird. Bars only. continuous auto fit. Fills and orders. Show order lines. Boom. Huh. No, I'm not gonna take the time to mess with indicators. I think
Order
yep.
filled.
Alright, this practice account is hurting. I'm gonna stop while it still exists.
Order cancelled.
And that's another one. Another one in the books. This thing is literally broken, my guys. Alrighty, well, I'm out. Peace out.